Habibis, do we not love shawarma? It's the ultimate Lebanese street food, made on a spit and grilled with juicy tenderness. It's hard to achieve at home though without that spit, unless you use my special marinade, grilling, and key finishing method. Let's do it. The marinade for shawarma is made so fragrant and delicious with the many, many spices that make shawarma so great. Such a fabulous combination of turmeric and cumin, sumac, coriander, and a whole bunch of other spices. Right here, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of prepared shawarma spice, which I absolutely love. Next, the juice of 2 lemons and a 1/3 cup of great extra virgin olive oil. For the chicken for the shawarma, I like to use chicken thighs, skinless, boneless thighs. I'm just gonna put these right into the marinade like this. Okay. Now I'm just gonna mix the chicken up in the marinade. This is 2 packages. Usually get 6 or 7 pieces per package of skinless, boneless. The chicken will marinate in the refrigerator for an hour and up to a day, really. So you could marinate it in advance the day before, then skewer and grill the next day. The key to skewering the chicken properly for the shawarma is to not do it too tightly. You can see I'm taking the whole piece here. I'm not cutting it first, and I'm just basically threading it right onto this metal skewer, which I like a lot because it has a sharp point on it. And then some red onion, pieces of red onion in between the pieces of chicken, like that. And I'm leaving it nice and loose so that when it grills, this will get charred and cooked through. I get about 3 chicken thighs on a 12-inch skewer here, and I like this length of skewer as well. It's just easier to manage. Pieces don't fall off. But that just about does it, and there's your kebab. The skewers are ready for the grill, but I have a secret for you. If you don't have time to skewer or you just don't want to skewer, you can put the pieces of chicken, the chicken thighs, marinated right on the grill as they are and grill them that way, and it's going to be delicious. I want to coat the grates of the grill with just a little bit of oil so that the shawarma doesn't stick. The chicken is done, and doesn't it look so juicy and golden brown with lots of nice char spots. The shawarma's off the grill and it smells so very good. I'm gonna remove the chicken from the skewer. I'm just taking a piece of bread and pushing it right off. Now, of course, that bread tastes delicious with those meat juices on them. And now it's time for the finishing touch, which is slicing the shawarma into almost shred-like pieces, not even a 1/2 inch apart. You can see it falls apart a little. That's perfect. This is what we want. And the reason we're doing this is so that we can finish with a nice drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. This adds the moisture that we want and need in our shawarma. This shawarma tastes so good just as it is with all of the charbroiled flavor. But if you want to level it up one more notch, try it with a beautiful tahini sauce drizzled over the top or served alongside. You will love that. And I'm gonna love this bite right here. Our food is so good. Oh my gosh. This is a favorite. If you want to learn how to make my tahini sauce, you'll find that in the recipe right here, next video. The shawarma spice is at marinaboodmarket.com.